Hello, my name is Harris, and today I'll be showing you a black 32GB iPhone 3GS, which is currently for sale on eBay. I recently became employed by Apple, and I've already reaped their employee benefits and purchased the iPhone 4, so I don't have really any use for this phone anymore. But it's still in great condition. Cosmetically, you can't see much of anything. Its case is included. It's always protected. I've been an Apple fanatic, so I wouldn't really let anything happen to this. But I've lived a very fast-paced life, and I need my phone to be the same way, so I've done a few enhancements to increase performance, battery life, and just communication-wise. And real quick, I'm going to send myself a text message and show you that you were able to send, compose, view text messages without even unlocking the phone, just for all your quick needs. So right here, a text message should pop up, and you'll see that I have the option to open, call, reply, close, later, templates, pop-up, delete, forwards, and Skype, and even FaceTalk. And I can do this in landscape mode as well. But for now, I'm just going to do a quick reply and type my message and click send, and you've just sent and received a text message without sliding to unlock the phone and waiting for the application to load up. You can, if you need to send your own message, all you have to do is double-click on the clock button, and you can go through here, see your contacts, choose someone, type your message, and click send, and you just sent it. You can even look through previous conversations by sliding down from the top, and here's some conversations that I had with the dates, and I can click it. It'll open it and bring it up. And this is all without even sliding to unlock the phone. Now, we'll finally go inside the phone, and you'll see that it appears quite normal. I have not put Winterboard on it just because I personally would rather have performance other than how it looks. But I have quite a few applications, many of which are games such as Call of Duty Zombies, Words with Friends, Cut the Rope, Documents to Go. If you can't see, there's a list on the eBay auction, and I can add any application you like. If you want me to remove it, I can, but I'm just going to show you a few of these, which normally you would not come with the phone. Well, they don't come with the phone, but I've tweaked a few of them. One of these being PDANet. And here is PDANet. PDANet allows you to broadcast your phone's network to any other Wi-Fi capable device. So I'm just going to click on, and it gives me, I can create the network, add a password, click activate, and now I'm broadcasting my 3G to any device that needs it. They just need to go onto that SSID that I'm broadcasting from this phone, and any device can get Wi-Fi. I particularly use this with my iPad just because I didn't want to pay for another more charges just to use the same network, so I'll just send it from here and share it because it works quite well. I'm going to turn this off and go back. Some other applications, I'm a big guitar player, and I actually only have one tuner, and it's this. It's Guitar Toolkit. Comes with a tuner. You can do standard tuning, all notes, even comes with a fretboard, metronome, and a list of all the chords and their fingering positions. And you can even hear it. It just comes great with learning more and just adding more to your playing. I'm also a student, and I use iStudies Pro, which syncs with my mobile me, and I can put anything I need to my planners, my assignments, and it will notify me whenever it's due, and it always keeps me in touch. Camera Plus is an application I use instead of the normal camera because it adds a little more of a digital zoom, and it also adds some functions, some editing functions. I haven't no pictures on here because I just restored the phone a bit ago, but I'll take a quick one. You can go into here, and you can actually edit the pictures. You can crop it, adjust it, add some effects, put some flash, focus it, so many things, just not usually included with the regular iPhone. And then besides that, you can see the games. You can look up if you need to. There's my GPS application. I have Final Fantasy Documents to Go to view all my presentations on my phone for studying. And here's that Byte SMS app that I showed you before. It works quite well. Looks quite normal, but it adds some you can add some settings to it. You can even choose which network to use. You can use your mobile carrier, or you can use Byte SMS if it's cheaper than your actual carrier. Here's where you can change some of the settings, how I did before with how it popped up on the main screen. You can add some templates, signatures, delivery reports, password locks, delay sendings, so many different things. And one special thing about this phone, which I think is quite a necessity, is this thing called SB settings. This is what allows me to keep it up and running just as fast as day one. Now all I have to do is go to the top and slide my finger across, and this pops up. It lets me control Wi-Fi, Edge, 3G, even put my phone in airplane mode. It's already on just with sliding that. I can turn Bluetooth on, SSH. I can even respring. I can, from here, this is something I love to do. I can power reboot, power lock, lock, safe mode, anything just from doing that. You can add more applications, do more functions, and one thing that's very important is processes. You see, your iPhone doesn't always stop the process, it's always running in the background, but this lets you delete it so your phone runs faster. You can manually delete some, or this doesn't delete the application, just kills the process. Or if your phone's just running slower than normal, you can click free up memory, and it will free up all your storage on your phone, and it will be running just like you just turned it on. Now, it runs just as fast, and I have all these applications that I can still use, and now it starts up, and this game will be playing much easier. But if you have any questions, feel free to email me or comment on the auction, and I will do all I can to answer them for you and show you anything else you need to. I hope you have a nice day, and happy bidding.